Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a preview pane in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to view the contents of your emails without having to open them in a separate window, making your workflow much more efficient and helping you manage your inbox faster. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once the application launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features. Make sure everything has loaded properly before moving on to the next step, as you'll need your inbox fully accessible to see the preview pane in action. Now that your emails are loaded, let's add that preview pane. Navigate to the top part of your screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Look for the View menu. It's one of the primary tabs at the top. Go ahead and click on the View tab to open up all the viewing and layout options that Outlook has to offer. This section is where you can customize how your emails and inbox appear, making it a central hub for personalizing your Outlook experience. Once you're in the View menu, focus your attention on finding the Layout section. This area contains all the tools you need to adjust how your email interface is structured. Within the Layout section, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Reading Pane. Click on this Reading Pane drop-down to reveal your Preview Pane options. You'll see two positioning choices here. You can either place your preview pane at the bottom of your screen or position it on the right side. Both options have their advantages, so choose whichever layout suits your workflow and screen setup best. The right side option is popular for widescreen monitors, while the bottom position works well if you prefer seeing your entire email list at once. Once you make your selection, the preview pane will immediately appear in your chosen position. You'll notice that when you click on any email in your inbox, its contents now display in the preview pane without opening a separate window. This makes it incredibly easy to scan through messages quickly and decide which ones need your immediate attention. And that's it. You've successfully added a preview pane to your Outlook interface. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.